Let's begin.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to English Conversations with Emma and Ryan. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ryan. Great to see you all again. If you missed our last episode, a small conversation in the park, make sure you check that out. It's a great practice for daily English.
Absolutely. And today's episode is super practical. We're going to a restaurant.
Yup, this one will help you speak confidently while ordering food, understand common expressions, and even learn some new vocabulary idioms and a grammar points.
Let's get started.
Wow, Emma, this cafe has such a cozy vibe. The atmosphere feels really inviting.
Oh yes, a great word. Inviting means welcoming or attractive.
Right, like this cave looks inviting with its warm lights and wooden decor.
Or, her smile was so inviting that I had to walk over and say hi. Hey listeners, can you make a sentence using the word inviting? Write it in the comment section below. We'd love to read it.
By the way, just being here is making me crave something sweet. I don't know why, but I have this intense craving for a slice of cheesecake right now.
Craving? That's a wonderful word, Ryan. It means a strong desire, especially for food or something delicious. All right, listeners, it's your turn again. Can you make a sentence using the word craving? Type it in the comment box below. We're reading all of them.
I guess I'm just in the mood to treat myself today. Let's see what they've got on the menu. Let's grab that corner seat. Perfect spot to chill and chat.
Yeah, and I'm so hungry today. I was skipping breakfast because I was in a rush.
That's why your stomach was growling during the cab ride.
Exactly.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Urban Bean Cafe. Here's the menu. May I get you something to drink while you decide?
Yes, I'll have a cold coffee, please.
And I'd like a glass of fresh lemonade.
Great. Are you ready to order food as well?
Could you recommend something?
Sure. Our signature grilled veggie sandwich is quite popular, and the creamy mushroom pasta is also a favorite.
Signature means it's a special dish the cafe is known for, right?
Yes. Like this bakery's signature item is the almond croissant.
Or my mom's signature dish is her spicy paneer curry. Okay, learners, your challenge: write a sentence using the word signature. Let's see how creative you get.
In that case, I'll go with the grilled sandwich.
And I'll try the mushroom pasta, please.
Great. I'll place the order and get your drinks.
That was smooth, listeners. Did you hear how we ordered?
Let us quickly go over some common sentences you can use at a restaurant. Could you please recommend something? 2. I'd like to order. 3. May I have? 4. We're ready to order.
You can even say, "Oh, what are today's specials?" Or I'll go with the when choosing.
Practice these aloud. Repeating these daily helps build speaking fluency.
Ryan, by the way, I'm noticing you're using a lot of present continuous tense today.
Yes, like when I said, I'm skipping breakfast or I'm ordering the sandwich.
Exactly. So, dear listeners, here's a grammar point for you. Present continuous tense is used when something is happening right now. The structure is subject plus is or am or, are plus verb plus ing.
Your task: make one sentence in present continuous tense and write it in the comment box. Example: I'm listening to this podcast while drinking tea.
Let's throw in an idiom to Ryan. Do you know what this cafe reminds me of?
What?
It's right up my alley.
Nice. That idiom means something that suits your interests perfectly. Like, this cozy, artsy cave is right up my alley.
What about you? Try making a sentence using right up my alley. Comment your example below. Exactly. Another idiom, to bite off more than you can chew, which means to take on too much work or responsibility.
Like, I tried to cook for 10 people by myself. I definitely bit off more than I could chew.
Now it's your turn. Write a sentence using this idiom. Have you ever bitten off more than you could chew? So, before we wrap up today's conversation, let's quickly revisit everything we learned, because you've actually picked up quite a lot just by listening. We started by stepping into that cozy little restaurant, where everything on the menu looked so inviting. Remember how Ryan said he was really craving pasta? That's a great word to describe a strong desire for something, especially food. And don't forget the waiter's recommendation signature dish. That word is used to describe something that's special or most popular at a restaurant. Try using those in your own sentences. Now, as we kept chatting, we slipped in a couple of idioms too. Like when Emma saw the dessert menu and said, "This is right up my alley." That means it's something she really enjoys. And poor Ryan, he almost bit off more than he could chew when he ordered too many appetizers. That one means taking on more than you can actually handle. Present continuous tense. Sentences like "we're looking at the menu" or "the waiter is coming." These help us talk about things that are happening right now. See if you can create a sentence of your own using that tense, and of course, don't miss those super useful phrases for real restaurant situations like, "Could you recommend something?" Or "I'd like to order," or even "May I have the bill, please?" These little phrases make you sound confident and polite. So, next time you're at a restaurant or even pretending to be, try using these expressions and see how natural you sound. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed today's episode, where we had a perfect mix of conversation, vocabulary, and idioms. Now it's time to test yourself. I've created a quick and fun quiz based on this episode to help you revise and improve your English level. You'll find the quiz link in the pinned comment and also in the description box below. Just click. Take the quiz and see how much you remember. It's a great way to stay consistent, track your progress, and strengthen your English in just a few minutes. So go ahead, take the quiz now, and let's keep learning together. Thanks for being here today. We'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep learning and keep speaking. And hey, if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are learning English too. Your support helps us reach more learners just like you. See you soon.